So here's something else you could do with ChatGPT. And after I ended that video, I thought this might be kind of fun just to reinforce multiple steps. And please give me a problem to solve please give me multiple steps problem to solve so that I can practice, Let's see what it comes up with. Here's the problem. You are planning a small dinner party and need to choose the following: main course, 4 options; side dish, 3 options; dessert, 2 options. How many different meal combinations can you create for your dinner party? Or if you let your guest choose like what they're doing, how many different possible meal combinations are there between main course, side dish, and dessert? And so we're going to multiply. I'm going to say my answer is 4 times 3 times 2, which is equal to 12, 24. There are 24 possible meal combinations that every single guest can experience. One of which, I don't know, I'll just leave it, each guest, there's 24 different meal experiences that each guest can have. So there we go. We'll see if that's correct. I should have asked, is that correct? That's correct. You've applied the multiplication rule perfectly. Please give me one more problem to solve using 5 steps. I like seeing what it comes up with. So problem, topic for the day, morning activity, lunch option, afternoon activity, evening entertainment. How many different schedules can you create for one day of the workshop? So we've got 5 steps, and in the first step, my answer is 3 times. First step, we have 3 options. Second step, we have 4 options. Third step, we have 2 options. And in the next, fourth step, we have 3 options. And in the fifth step, we have 2 options, is equal to 12, 24. 24 times 3 is 72. 72 times 2 is 144. Is that correct? Cool, that's absolutely correct. So there we go. Multiplying it all together, we get 144. So that's figuring out, like how many possible combinations there are if we have multiple steps, and we multiply in each step the number of potential outcomes, because every experiment can have outcomes. All of the possible outcomes is a sample space, and then an event is a subset of the sample space for which we could find the probability. But to find out, like what size is our sample space when we have multiple steps, for each step, we look at all of the possible outcomes in that step, and we multiply the possible outcomes in each step together by all the outcomes in other steps. And the way we express that mathematically is like this right here. And so that's how we figure out the sample size when we have multiple steps, and those are examples of it. All right, next video maybe we'll get to permutations and combinations. See you in the next video.